Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today I'll be discussing paper 2014 part 5. The rest of the parts and the papers I have discussed in previous videos. If you have not visited them, please visit the same for your reference. Regarding live classes, the school has started live classes for RIMC, RMS and AISSEE exam preparation. To know more about the same, you have to visit the website of the school. The link is given here below the slide. You can also download the app from the Play Store. Now regarding the Champions batch, Geometry School has started Target RMC 2022 for your better preparation for the upcoming RMS exam. You will be having daily live classes till your exam is there, current affairs session, mock test and also the live test. To know more about the batch, you have to visit the website of the school. This will be paper 2014 part 5. Okay. First question of today's class. Find the expanded form of, you have to find the expanded form of 2x plus half y का whole square. This you have to calculate. A plus b का whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? This will be 4x square plus 1 upon 4y square plus cancel out the 2's here 2xy. Now look at the options. 4x square plus y square upon 4 plus 2xy. This one, option number B will be your answer. 4x square plus y square upon 4 plus 2xy. Okay. Mark this as your answer. Okay. Moving on to next question, number 42. An example of a trinomial is, a trinomial is one having positive integers with 3 terms, or I can say 3 positive integers. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे तो 2 ही हैं. Here you have only 1, here also 1, but in this option we have 3 positive integers. So your answer is option D. Okay. Moving on to question number 43. The compound interest is always greater than the simple interest. क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट पे भी इंटरेस्ट आप लगा रहे हो तो ग्रेटर तो ऑब्वियस सी बात आएगा. सो दिस इज ग्रेटर देन. Question number 44. A polygon with 8 sides is called 8 sides. That means we have octagon as its name. So the name of that polygon with 8 sides is 8, right? Moving on to question number 45. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Let Aman's age be A, 3 times his son's age, right? 10 years ago he means Aman 10 years ago means A minus 10. He was 5 times his son's age. 5 times his son's age क्या होगी? Son की भी age 10 years ago कम हो जाएगी. Find the present age of son. That means what you have to calculate? You have to calculate S. So putting the value of A, this will be 3S minus 10 is equals to 5S minus 50, right? So this will be taking S terms together. This will be 40. S comes out to be 20. So what is the age of son? It's 20 years, right? Okay. Moving on to question number 46. Find M so that what is given to you? Minus 3M plus 1 into minus 3 power 5 is equals to minus 3 power 7. Again the rule of indices, multiply हो रहा है, basis same है, then powers will be added, right? This will be minus 3 power 7. So here m plus 6 is equals to 7. M comes out to be 1. So what is the value of m? 1. Option number 46. Okay. Next comes out to be question 47. There are 500 children in a school. So total children 500, right? For PT drill, they have to stand in such a way that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. क्या करना है आपको? Number of rows is equals to number of columns होना चाहिए. इस तरह से बच्चों की अरेंजमेंट हमने करनी है, राइट? हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन वुड बी लेफ्ट आउट इन द अरेंजमेंट? सो कितने बच्चे लेफ्ट आउट हो जाएंगे, मतलब कि ना ही रोज में आएंगे और ना ही कॉलम्स में आएंगे, राइट? सो रोज इज इक्वल्स टू कॉलम्स. ओके, फाइव 500 टोटल था. हाउ कैन यू सेपरेट? 500 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. That means 10 to the power 5, right? What is the value of root 5? This is 2 point. What is the value of root 5? The value of root 5 is 2.236. So putting the value of root 5, this will be 22.36. 22.36, if you take it approx, this will be 22, right? How many? 22 students, right? So जब आपने इसके फैक्टर्स निकाले, 500 का आपका रूट आया 22. दैट मीन्स वन रो में यू कैन हैव 22 स्टूडेंट्स. वन रो में यू कैन हैव 22 स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, so in one row you can have 22 students. दैट मीन्स अगर एक रो में आपके 22 बच्चे हैं तो वो कितने कॉलम्स कन्वर्ट हो गए? 22, लाइक दिस इज द रो. सो ऐसे करके आपके 22 कॉलम्स बन गए. तो रोज और कॉलम्स आपके कितने हो गए हैं? 22, राइट? सो 22 हो गए हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द अरेंजमेंट, कितने बच्चे चाहिए रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द अरेंजमेंट? कितने बच्चे आपको चाहिए? 484. 22 इंटू 22. हाउ? सी, एक रो में आपके 22 बच्चे हैं, राइट? और ऐसी आपके पास कितनी रोज हैं? 22 रोज हैं. सो इन वन रो इफ यू आर हैविंग 22, तो इन 22 रोज हाउ मेनी यू आर हैविंग? 484 स्टूडेंट्स. दैट मीन्स 484 स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप सिलेक्ट करते हो तो वो हमारे नंबर ऑफ रोज इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स वाले पैटर्न में अरेंज हो जाएंगे. देयरफॉर स्टूडेंट्स लेफ्ट आउट कितने हो गए? स्टूडेंट्स लेफ्ट आउट कितने हो गए? टोटल देयर वर 500 स्टूडेंट्स थे हमारे पास. 500 स्टूडेंट्स थे, 484 लेफ्ट आउट हो गए. 16 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होंगे जिनको हम अरेंजमेंट में नहीं एडजस्ट कर पाएंगे. सो योर आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 16. ओके, moving on to next question number 48. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Okay, this is the window. Ladder 8 meter. ठीक है. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This is the base of the wall. This is the foot of the ladder. This will be the distance, right? So find the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. So ये क्या बन गया आपका? right angle triangle. What is the distance? Knows A B C. You need to calculate this, right? You need to calculate this. So how can you calculate base? AC square minus AB square is equals to BC square. What is the value of AC? 8. What is the value of AB? Oh, I have written this is ladder 10 meter long and foot window 8 meter above the ground. So this will be 10 square and this will be 8 square. This is 100 minus 64. What are you getting? 36, which is equals to BC square. So what is the value of BC? It will be plus 6 minus 6. As the value of length cannot be negative, so your answer comes out to be 6. Answer will be 6 meter. 6 meter will be the answer. Question number 49. When a die is thrown, total number of possible outcomes is 6. क्योंकि die के 6 faces होते हैं. It's not die. I'm sorry. It's not die. It's dice. Right? So when a dice is thrown, total number of possible outcomes will be 6 because a dice is having 6 faces. और एक ही बार हम उसको roll कर रहे हैं तो your answer comes out to be 6. Moving on to question 50. The number of zeros in the square of 400. Okay, how many zeros are there? Do the square of 400. It will be 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So your answer comes out to be option C, right? So children, I would like to remind all of you that if you have not subscribed the channel, Geometry School channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive all the important notifications related to your exam. Also like the video and share it to maximum number of your friends so that they can also have an idea regarding the paper pattern. Regarding live classes, to know more about the same, visit the website of the school. For champions batch, if you people have not enrolled yourself, enroll into the batch right today itself. And to have more information, just visit the website of the school. For offline classes with hostel facilities, the details will be provided to you on the website of the school. So visit the website of the school for having a brief idea. Till then, thank you for watching the video. Stay safe and keep connected. Practice as much questions as you can for better performance.